Hi friends, so today we are going to learn how we can clear the caches as well as the junk files from the Windows. I will start with the video and I will start with the tutorial. So first of all we need to click the Windows plus R key. So if I click this key, Windows plus R, then this type of pop-up will open and we need to simply type prefetch over here. And after typing prefetch, we need to click on OK. It will ask for the permission and all the items will be visible over here. And we need to simply select all the items by clicking Ctrl plus A. And to delete these items, we need to delete it by pressing Shift plus delete. So this will delete all the items. So this how we can delete it. And after this, we need to again press Windows plus R key and we need to type temp over here. After clicking on temp, so all temporary folders and all the files will be visible over here. So similarly, we need to click we first of all we need to delete all the items and we need to click Shift plus delete again. And this how we can delete all the temporary item. So for example, there might be some files or something that we cannot delete, so we can skip it. So this how we have done with it. Again we need to click the Windows plus R and this time we need to type %temp%. So if I click on OK, so all the files will be visible over here. So I'm doing the Control A and Shift delete, which will delete all the permanent which will delete all the files and folders permanently. So this is not a big issue. So for some files, it is same. So this how we have done with the things. So after that, we need to again click Windows plus R, and this is the final step. We need to write clean MGR. So when we click, we need to select the drive. So all the operating system installation is done on the C drive. So I'm selecting the C drive, and we need to tick all the check boxes over here, and we need to click on OK, which will delete the items permanently, all the temporary and unused files. So this how we can clear all the caches as well as the junk files from our system. So this was all about the tutorial. Thank you.